So you want to know how to cut your boyfriend's hair? Well, first you're gonna need a boyfriend.
Whoa. Where am I? Where's my shirt?
Oh.
Oh, thanks. What are we doing?
We're gonna cut your hair today.
Oh, I don't think I need a haircut. I think it's pretty good. Did you think?
You need a haircut.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever done this before?
No.
Oh.
Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my boyfriend Charlie.
How's it going?
And today we will be cutting his hair.
I definitely need it.
Yeah, I know, you definitely need it. But have I ever done this before?
No, you haven't. This is the first time that
I don't cut
not a hairstylist.
No. All right, well, let's turn you to the side.
All right.
I have watched all but one video on YouTube about how to cut men's hair. So it's during quarantine, so there's no one to cut Charlie's hair. So this is why I am doing this today.
Beggars can't be choosers, right?
Right. So Charlie, you're gonna have to be helping me out just a little bit because I'm gonna be cutting your hair and then you want your beard done too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to be a mountain man anymore. It's clean shaven.
So the one YouTube video I watched literally yesterday, the guy had the same kind of thickness and curliness of your hair, so that's just what I'm going to be experimenting on you today, okay?
Great, sounds good.
So I'm gonna start off by using this thingy. What is this called?
It's a buzzer.
It's a buzzer, okay. So if you guys don't know what a guard is, basically what it is, and correct me if I'm wrong, but basically what it is the lower the number, the shorter your hair is gonna be, and the higher the number, the longer your hair is going to be. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with a number 8 because I feel like we can always go shorter. I don't even know how to put this. Is this like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
So buzz up and flick, right?
Ow.
Sorry. Is that not supposed to?
You have to turn it on.
Oh!
Oh.
Do you trust me?
I trust you, I think.
Can you turn your head to the left? This isn't gonna cut your ear, right?
It shouldn't. Ah!
Stop it!
Great.
Oh, do I want to use a smaller number now? Ooh. Oh.
All else fails, we'll just shave it all off, you know?
I don't know who would be more sad that we had to shave it all off, you or me. I like your curly hair. I'm gonna bend your ear. Is that okay?
Ah!
Stop it! El número 6.
Kind of an art, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like sculpting. I am your clay and you are the potter.
I am the cat, you are the mouse.
Oh.
Number 5 is just the bottom, right?
Cinco.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
Cinco.
Hold on. Good job!
What can I say? I'm bilingual.
Luna's left-handed, I hope you know that.
Oh boy. Ambidextrous.
Nope.
No? Oh.
Just a risk taker.
Okay.
So
we're done.
That was the easy part.
Oh no, we're not done yet.
That's not even the hard part. You know the hard part is the top of your head.
Okay.
And I gotta clean up the perimeter
Yep.
of your neckline. So then I'm gonna flip it over like this, right?
Yep, and there's a little setting on here that it makes it a little closer. So you have it as close as you can because you're just on the edge.
Do you trust me? Turn around. Okay, there's a lot of hair, ladies. There's a lot of hair. I am just going to kind of go with his natural hairline, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buzz the things that are obviously too long. And I'm just gonna do that. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, you getting red. I wish I had one of those like brushes or something. Actually, hold this. I'm gonna use one of my makeup brushes that I never use.
Perfect. You're like professional.
How much would a haircut cost for you normally?
So like 40 bucks, 30,
40 bucks?
30, oh, 30.
Wow, brush it down, brush it down. Oh!
Looks good.
No.
Depends how you finish this off, you're only halfway.
Okay, so now I am going to do the top of your head. And this is actually the hard part. So I'm going to wet your hair first because that's what I saw the lady do in the YouTube video.
Dude,
she was legit, okay? She was a real hairstylist with 100,000 subscribers, okay?
Yep. If you see it on YouTube, it's true.
That's right.
What I said. Do you even need to go to school anymore?
No.
No. I'm a doctor. Where'd you go to school? YouTube?
So what the lady said was that you're supposed to put your pinky in this little shingy-madiggy, and then you're supposed to hold it like this. There is hair all over my hands. So Charles, if you concur, I'm just gonna start with back sections and work my way forward like she did in the video.
Sure.
Okay. I would rather keep it longer just in case if I screw up, because I can always cut off more on a later date. I wish I knew how to use a comb.
All right, you cutting right now?
Yeah, why? Say it now, forever hold your peace. Oh. Oh.
Are these special scissors or?
Yeah, so I bought these. I actually used to cut my own hair in college. Fun fact, because I was a poor college student. Who wasn't? And so I literally just used to cut my own hair, and I actually cut my sister's hair. But with women's hair, it's different because I feel like you kind of mess up and it's kind of like, you know, it just kind of blends in with everyone else's. With men's, it's like yours so short that I don't know.
Less forgiving. I have no idea what I look like at this point.
I have no idea what you look like. I don't know how they hold up scissors and comb at the same time. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great until I see it. I guess that's the real factor.
Comb, please.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Charles.
Didn't mean to throw it.
Yeah, you did.
No. You think it looks better already?
Better is a subjective word.
Work in progress.
Work in progress. Actually, I have a texturizing scissors that I purchased. So this is like my normal scissors and it's like super sharp. And then this one, basically it has like little shark teeth under it. So it won't cut like all the hair off, and in one clean cut, it will fade the cut. I'm gonna go in with the texturizing scissors now and go from back to front.
Sure.
Hopefully this will even it out just a little bit.
Don't cut my ear off. I like my ears, the length that they are.
If there's gonna be blood, it's probably gonna be right here. Okay, bang, bada, boom. Yep.
Done. Haircut done.
Yeah, haircut done. So I'm gonna do it for everywhere.
The hair in my mouth.
Well, it's your hair.
Yeah. But...
Have you ever used like a razor on your face?
I've done it a few times, but yeah, you do bleed, and then it's just a pain.
Welcome to my world.
I know. I feel for women. I mean, that's hard work. I feel like like the movie Sweeney Todd. This is the moment that they slit your throat and.
What?
You know the movie Sweeney Todd?
No. Okay, so for this one, Charlie has a little smaller razor, and I'm just gonna buzz around his lips, and then I'm going to buzz around his neckline. Is there a way to suck your Adam's apple in? Nope, that just made it worse. Okay.
Keep it symmetrical. See, what we learned in kindergarten is useful. I feel like everything that we learned in kindergarten is the most useful things we could ever learn. Friendship, symmetry, counting.
Nap time.
Nap. Yeah, that's something I'm still gotta learn.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I got a big mirror.
You got a massive mirror.
You gotta tell me your honest thoughts though.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and you get ready. Wow! Good job! It's good. I feel like I just got out of the barber. You did an excellent job.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a $40 haircut right there.
So it wasn't that bad?
Not that bad. Considering you had no idea what you were doing.
Yeah.
You did pretty good.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching me cutting Charlie's hair off. Hope it wasn't that bad.
No, it was good.
If you guys did like it, it'd mean the world to us if you guys would like this video and also hit that subscribe button along with the little bell button, because that will notify you every single time that we upload a new video. But I think that is it, you guys. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
See ya. This is when this is when all the videos pop up, right? The end here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel today.
I was looking at that camera.
Oh, Charles.
Okay.